In this video, we're going to be talking about how to contact Discord support. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and simply go ahead and search for Discord support just like that. Once you've done that, click on the first link right over here. You're going to be on this page right over here. All you need to do is simply go ahead and scroll all the way down. And once you've done that, there's going to be a developer support right over here. You can simply go ahead and click on that if you want to, or you could also simply go ahead and head back and click on the submit a request button right over here. Once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this page where it's going to verify yourself. And then this is where you can simply go ahead and fill out the form, which is going to be right over here. And then when you fill it out and submit it, they're going to get in contact with you through your email. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll